Hello friend, welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to work with unstructured data through Power BI. Now let's begin. So this is my Power BI desktop. I will go and import the data through get data. So I'm just going to import. This is my file. So at present I'm importing. It is depend on file size. See, this is my department table. In this one, row and column is not properly defined. A part of that we are seeing here dot column also. So similar kind is implied table also. Here also row and column is not properly defined, and second line is dot which is not going to handle by Power BI for the report. So I'm just importing. Yeah, so now I will show you from here data. Now we see only we are seeing here one column and imply also in one column. We can't make any report since we doesn't have column like imply name, department name, ID, location, etc. So for that what we require to do, we have to go and home and then from here transform data. So I'm clicking on transform data. So now see, in transform data I am able to view the data, but it is not in a proper way. So first what we require to do, we have to come to here in split column and then by position. So I'm going to click on, yeah. So now we are able to view proper way column and row, but still second number dot is there. For that what we require, we have to come here and remove last line. See, now our data is proper, but still one work is remain. At present we are able to view like column 1, column 2, column 3. So we require like a department name, department number, location. So for that what we require to do, we have to come use first row as a header and click. Now you can view our data is properly. Now we can here, I will just going to show you, save, apply, yeah. So this is saved. We will go in Power BI desktop. Now see, in department table we are able to view proper column, department name, number, location, but imply table is remains same. So for that similar kind we have to apply. Again we go to imply, and from here also same thing, split column by position and then remove that dot. So last line remove and then make first column as a header. So for that this option, same option. Now see, now we are able to view implied table data also properly defined. So that's all for this video. Catch you in next video. Thanks for the watching video. Please like and subscribe.